Hello everyone! What are you guys busy with? I'm here in one of my properties and I'm gonna give you a tour inside this property. I have 5 minutes to share with you. So if you're live with me, I will be answering your questions in just 5 minutes. So when you have a property, right, you want to show it the best way so that you have a tenant right away. Or you can do other things such as rent out the apartment per room to a medical student, to a traveling nurse who's willing to do a room share. So this is my home and this is what I'm doing right now. I furnish it and it's now ready for rent for my incoming doctor. So let's see. So I am here, George and Jaden helped me furnish this living room. And as you can see, it has beautiful hardwood floors. This front porch where I sat in the swing set right there, that's the front street. It's facing the front street. So it has a ceiling fan with lights. And as I head back here towards the dining room, I'm going to show you the hallway. It splits into a hallway. And this is the dining room. It's a very big, spacious dining room. So it has beautiful hardwood floors as well. And now you have the half bathroom just across the dining room. All right, let's go into this beautiful kitchen. I love my kitchen island. It sits 3 people in here. So this kitchen has full appliances. You have microwave, you have our double door refrigerator in here. You see that? That's so beautiful. And this is the kitchen island. It has the dishwasher in here and it has tons of kitchen cabinetry, so you can see. And I love the lights under the kitchen cabinet. And now you have the beautiful view of the backyard with the hospital right there and the garage. Now, who loves to cook? If you're a cook, a chef, you would love this gas stove and has this powerful direct exhaust fan vent. Direct means it exhausts it outside. It doesn't recycle the fumes. It directs it all outside. So now as I step out of the kitchen, it would lead me to this beautiful laundry beside the kitchen. Washing machine and dryer is right here and more shelvings. And this could be your mudroom. You can hang your white coats in there, your smack gown. This is the sink. And that's the beautiful deck. So I head outside with the garage, and that building right there behind it is the hospital. It's the deck. It's raining today in Pennsylvania. I wonder what your weather is like in your neck of the woods. So I got 2 minutes to spare for question and answers. If you have one, come. I will answer them live. If not live, then stay tuned on my next live video. So I'm headed upstairs to the 2nd floor. And so, don't you love hardwood floors? I love hardwood floors. I love to refinish this hardwood floors. And now, this is the bedroom. So we have carpets in some of the bedrooms and we have hardwood floors as well. So this is one of the bedrooms. This is like your mini office. And then beautiful hardwood floors in this other bedroom here. Don't you love the kind of green with a gray combination in this place? I love it. And you have the beautiful hardwood floors. So I'm showing this unit today and I'm giving you a quick show as well. So this is shelving units in here, right? Look, from that bedroom, you have access to this full bathroom here. Now we're headed into this other bedroom. Ooh, ceiling fan and lights, big closet. I'd like to show you the master bedroom, which is this. I love this open ceiling with exposed beams. Ooh, I love this finish. And then you have the skylight right there. See that? That's the master bedroom. All right, guys. So it's 5 minutes. 5 minutes is time up. So stay tuned for my next live video. And if you're live, if you are there with me, come join me and I will answer your questions here with me at Apartment Prescription. Take care, guys. Let's go. Well, cannot wait. It's a beautiful day. Bye.